Big difference.
Huge difference. Like, look. Boss, need some wheels? Los Santos Customs.
Welcome guys back to another video. As you can see, we have a package. A package from
Auxito is what I'd say.
Auxito for sure. All of the Auxito. We're going to install these LED lights and see what's going to be about. Let's get a little bit closer. First of all, really great packaging. It comes with 2 gloves, as you can see, an instruction manual, and then the nice LEDs. I'm going to show them real quick. These look really good in quality. So let's go ahead and see if we can install them. I ended up having to replace a blinker light on my headlight anyway. Really get into the rubbers and push in to those indentions on the side of the headlight harness. This rubber film on so we can see the pin guard. We're going to push this pin guard in and it should come on right on out. This hasn't been changed in a while, it seems like. It's going to be our old one. Let's go ahead and get the other one in there. It's a little bit more easy with the air duct on the passenger side, so I went ahead and grabbed that as well, so I don't have to go ahead and replace gloves again. But it's a pretty baby, ain't gonna lie to you. It's baby ass gloves. Angle going up. You're gonna push it through. It's just gonna line up just like that. Let's go ahead and lock it in back in with our prong, and then let's go ahead and get the other headlight in on the other side. Alright, I got both of the headlights installed. Let's go ahead and turn them on. Big difference.
Like, look at the LED light on the freaking work light.
Yeah.
It's way brighter than that.
Alright, we're going to ride it for these headlights for a little bit. And maybe in about a couple months you'll get a review out of me again. Other than that, thank you a lot for the headlights, because these are going to be amazing, and I can definitely see a lot more better down the road thanks to Auxito. Let's do this. Let's see how dark. That's definitely amazing difference.